my lovely second graders. I'm just going to make you a quick video to show you how you can write in your social studies assignment this week. I'm not going to go through and take a look at the questions for this week. So if you don't understand one of them or don't understand what it's asking you, you're going to have to join my Zoom meeting and ask me there or ask me on Google Classroom. Okay, if you want to write in this PowerPoint, here's what you need to do. Do you see where it says File? Go ahead and click it. Scroll all the way down until you see where it says Make a Copy. Then you're going to click Entire Presentation. Do entire presentation because if you do select slides, it'll only do parts of this PowerPoint, not the whole thing. So do entire presentation. Then it's going to say Copy Document and Name. Up here with Name, write your name. Once you've written your name, click OK. And then it'll copy the entire presentation for you. And let me show you. Now you will be able to write in this PowerPoint. But please write words that make sense, not like my word. If this doesn't work for you and you have a printer at home, you may print this PowerPoint, write the questions, and then take pictures and have mom or dad upload them to me on Google Classroom. All right, have a nice day. Bye.